Hi, this is Bailey from Iceboxauto. We're looking at a Bentley Continental system. This is a different type we've got. So basically, the ones we had before, they included obviously this dash drop to the bottom fully. This one's a smaller screen. I think it's about 9.7 inches. Obviously, you can see here they've got the buttons on for the air conditioning. So push these up. Might be able to hear that. It down so I don't absolutely get destroyed. What I might do is I might zoom in slightly so you can see a bit easier. So this is basically the home screen. Looks similar to some of the larger screens types that we do. So I'll be showing you pretty much what the system can actually do. So first of all we go on the radio. So just normal FM AM radio. Obviously works with the steering wheel controls over here on my side. And then obviously you've got separate stations, so of course you need to pick the correct one. Usually just do 96.7 because, you know, we're in Liverpool. So yep, that's that. I will be muting it for the rest though, obviously. And then moving on, you've got the apps. So as you can see here, we've got quite a few. You've got Google, you've got Google Maps. Oh, the Navi needs to be set. In fact, we can do that now. So set up. Pick Maps, Google Maps. Say download Waze or TomTom, anything like that off the Play Store, that would also work. You've got a DAB, you'll be able to do that as well. So DAB Z is what we use for our internal DAB. So I believe this has the factory DAB, so it would probably work with that as well. So going along, you've got your radio settings, touch assistant, vehicle settings. We have a look in there. There we go. So you can see your driver mileage, your engine speed, voltage, trips, average speed, etc. You've got your temperature controls down here. You can see all them there. Built-in songs, so let's say you've got a USB device in. You can control that from here. We don't at the moment, but that is pretty much what it does. You've got a little compass, your time, etc. This little thing over here, you press that. It opens basically another way to get to apps and whatnot. So this is quite useful when you're on the CarPlay side and you want to load up another app. You can do it through that way. And then obviously you've got a few other things like brightness, volume. Obviously it's muted at the moment, but there's that. So what I'll do now is I'll probably connect my phone to it for the actual Apple CarPlay. So let me pull my phone out dead quick, show you how this works. So I'm on an Android today. What I'll do is I'll turn my Bluetooth on. So I don't know if you can see that. Go onto CarLink, and then we're going to look for, I believe it would be the SYU Android, unless the engineer's phone is still connected to the system. Yeah, it looks like it is. That's alright anyway. So CarLink, and then SYU Android. There. Hello. There we go. So there's the Android Auto running. Now obviously if you've got Apple CarPlay or well yeah, just Apple CarPlay, it'd show differently. I believe the Android Auto is only this little small window, but if you get the CarPlay it does actually cover the whole screen. It's just a quirk of the system pretty much. So skip along, put my data on my phone for maps. So obviously we've got the music. Now this is obviously my Spotify, so you can see what I'm listening to. And then maps, so we click on this, search, take me home, take me home. There we go.
Navigating to
I think my
home.
internet's just being a bit slow on my phone. There we go. So it
Heritage International Languages Limited may be closed.
Yeah, it thinks my home's in a museum for some reason, but that's because it's on my phone. I'm not too sure why. So yeah, obviously we've got the Google Maps, pretty much. And then obviously you've got apps and whatnot as well. So go on to Spotify. Hang on. Yeah. Skip. skip this song. There we go. See, it worked a bit faster that time because it wasn't using the internet, but etc. Right, so we're back out of this anyway. So you want to back out of this, you just swipe down from the top, similar to your phone obviously. You can delete all of them. Right, what I'll do is I'll unpair my Bluetooth from my phone just so it doesn't auto load up the Android Auto again. And there we go, that's pretty much the system in its entirety. Obviously if you want to get onto the Play Store you can. The way you do this is turn your Wi-Fi on here, hold it down, turn your hotspot on. So if you turn your hotspot on, 1 second, let me try and do that. 1 moment. So it'll be able to see my phone now anyway, so this one. And then for the MKG 75353 connect. Now obviously this will connect to my mobile hotspot so we can get onto the internet with the system. And so this is just another way of using it pretty much. So you've got just your regular Bluetooth for the Android Auto and the CarPlay, but now obviously if we're connected to the internet we can pretty much do whatever we like. So if we go onto Google, there we go, there's Google. So at the moment obviously the stupid submarine and Audi are joining Formula 1. What else can we do? We'll have a look at the equalizer. So this is just obviously audio setup and whatnot, so if you're into this stuff it'd be worth having a look into possibly. Speakers, surround sound, bass, etc. What else is there that I can show you? YouTube obviously. There we go. So yeah, you can look at that as well. Click on Tom and Jerry. Obviously there'll be an advert, but you know, that's how it is. So yeah, that's pretty much the system in its entirety. Let me see if there's anything else there quickly. And I'll go on to Google Maps just on the Android side, just to show you dead quick how that would work. So obviously it's just Google Maps. So obviously we've got Iceboxauto, which is here. We zoom out, we've got the UK, got everywhere. So yeah, that's it pretty much. So if you've got any questions or anything, leave them in the comments below. We'll probably upload this video pretty soonish. But other than that, thank you very much for watching, and hopefully I'll probably do some more of these for you soon. So, goodbye.